Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend today in the daily newspaper of it's weekend. Weekend, December the 16th, 2023. Here we have in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, December the 16th. We have here our two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. And tomorrow evening, I will solve this one, the samurai Sudoku. Two regular puzzles. We have in this newspaper a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are two. We have two Sudokus with 3 stars, one killer Sudoku. We have two binaries 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic. We have not so good news because for tomorrow, usually we have in this newspaper an additional, but we have no additional in the weekend edition. What I will do is tomorrow on Sunday, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. There are two puzzles then left, and the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yes, the Friday edition. I will do those 5 puzzles tomorrow, but also one samurai Sudoku. But let me first solve this one, the regular puzzle. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me position the camera first. Come on. 7629. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the additional, with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it will be at 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. And then need a 2 here, need a 9 here. Come on. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 3, 5, 4, 7, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 7, 5. Yeah, 3, 7, 5. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 there. And I need a 9 here. Yeah. Here we have 4, 5, 7. 2. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. And 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. That means 1 digit left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. First column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column. Third column, 2 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. No, the 8 here. 8. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Okay. Come on. Need a 6 here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. We have a pair, 6 and 8 in the third column, 6 and 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Need an 8 here. Okay. Do we have all the 6s? Yeah. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. How about the 9 in the third row? 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. How about the 2 then? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number 3, number 2. But the 8. No, 8 is still having troubles. 8. Need a 5 here, and I need a 1 here. Okay, and now, 5. Need a 5 here. No, I think the 5 should be there. 5, 7, 1, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 5 in one of, oh wait. In this row, we need 3 missing numbers. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 158, 158, 158. And look, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes. In this column, no 5 there. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only place left the 5 should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. Okay. Need a 4, need a 7, need a 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column. 3 in that column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row. So in that row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Well, I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left now. 4 and the 7. Alright. Yeah. 4 and a 5. And I need a 5 here. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. A 1 box left in this row for the amount. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have 8 now in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And the final box in this big square for number 1. 40 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. I'm faster than the 50 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional, not in the additional, in the puzzle page. We have no additional in the weekend edition, only the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.